Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, I have discussed format of string and I have given example of various formats of string using various examples. In this video, we are going to perform some Python programs such as program to reverse order of words, such as we have input Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar, and the output will be Tendulkar, Ramesh, Sachin. So what will be the code in Python? I am going to show it. Say S is equal to input, enter some string, or enter some string means whatever you want, your name, suppose your name. Here I have entered suppose Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar, and L is the length. L is equal to h dot split. It will split Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar into parts, and L1 will be stored in the array. I is equal to length of L minus 1 while I greater than 0, L1 dot append L of I. That means from it will append the string what we have entered. What we have entered the string, it will append the string. I is equal to I minus 1, and output is equal to single inverted comma dot join L1, and at last we have to use print out and print output, because in the output it will print in the reverse order. Reverse order means from the back side. In the back, the last string or the substring what will be the present in the string will be printed first, and the first substring that will be printed at the last. Okay, suppose take example, enter some string Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar, and it will show you Tendulkar, Ramesh, Sachin. Okay, my next program is wrap to reverse internal content of each word. That means reverse means here internal content means Sachin, it will show you NIHCAS, Ramesh HSEMAR, Tendulkar RAKLUDNET. Okay, and what will be the code for that internal content or reverse of internal content? S is equal to input, enter some string. L is equal to s dot split. L1 is equal to array string array, and I is equal to 0 while I less than length of L. Then L of 1, that means L of 1 means where we have stored the new string or the append string. L1 dot append Li, that is of minus 1. Okay, that means each here in each position in the while loop we are going to reverse internal content by using append function. I is equal to I plus 1. Output is equal to single inverted comma within single inverted comma dot join L1, and print will be output. So if we put Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar, then it will come as NIHCAS HSEMAR RAKLUDNET. Okay, so friends, here are the two examples of Python function. Now my the third example. The third example will be verb to short the character of the string and first alphabet by first alphabet symbols followed by numeric value. That means if I input B4A ID3, it will be constructed as ABD I34. Okay, S is equal to input, enter the string, S1 is equal to S2 is equal to output is equal to single inverted comma. Okay, that means if S1 is equal to S2, then output will be that. For X in S, if X dot is alpha, S is equal to S1 plus X, else S2 is equal to S2 plus X. That means in the first case I have to short the alphabet is alphabet. Okay, for X in shorted S1, that means in the X I have shorted the elements, that means which is the number, output plus X. For X in shorted S2, in the S2 I have short the number, okay, the numbers. Output is equal to output plus X, print output. So friends, these are the three programs for today. And friends, please like, share, subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please write the comment section whatever your doubt is. And friends, I also want to tell you that if you want to know any previous video, if you want to see any previous videos, then you can click on the I button link, so you will get all the Python's previous videos, Python language previous video. So for today, this is all. Thank you friends. Thank you for